The semiconductor industry is the backbone of modern technology, but designing an integrated circuit is both expensive and time-consuming, and small changes often require substantial redesigns. EasyLogic has developed EasylogicECO, a tool that automates and streamlines engineering change orders in the IC design process. Lin, how does the EasylogicECO system help integrated circuit or chip designers really improve their speed to market with change orders?
The traditional IC design flow is irreversible, which means when you finished all the steps before, then in the later stage, when you need something to change, it's impossible. The only thing you can do is just starting from the zero.
All over.
Yeah, you need to redesign, rewrite all the RTL, then you do the resynthesis. So it may cost you 1 to 3 months to complete the whole process. But for us, we create an entirely new flow. What we are doing is to make the irreversible process to be more flexible, just like building the Legos. We can plug in and plug out all the design the designer wants.
This is a really big advantage because normally the designer is starting with a situation of having to restart the design completely. Now you're enabling an incremental improvement with what you call targeted engineering change orders. So what do you mean by a targeted change versus a wholesale change?
We can precisely locate the area or the function we need to modify or change. It's a huge barrier for most of the designer because for the machine language, just like 1010, it's difficult to locate which functional equals to the C++ languages. What we are doing is translate back all the machine languages back to the C++ high-level languages.
So that then the designer can see where on the chip their changes need to be made, and instead of having to make a wholesale change, an incremental change can be made.
Yes.
Well, this has a particular advantage in the evolution of existing chips. So a new functionality may be required or a new feature set may be required, and you're able to help the integrated circuit designer add that new functionality without a whole new redesign.
Yes, because based on our knowledge, the iteration between different versions of the IC design, actually they didn't change a lot. Maybe some small functions or
small feature set or capabilities can evolve quickly.
Yeah.
What have you been able to see in terms of the actual time improvement or the speed to market improvement before EasylogicECO versus when it's implemented?
The traditional ways to correct all these functions need 1 to 3 months, but we can offer it to complete only in 7 days.
And is there a requirement to integrate with existing big chip design systems? Are you an application integrated with existing systems, or does EasyLogic stand on its own?
We integrate with the entire EDA system because we're compatible with all kinds of the IC designs.
Lin, what are a few of the success stories for EasylogicECO already in the market?
One of our big clients from Korea, when they find us, they have very urgent case to complete. They need to tape the chip out within 1 month, so they really need our help. Then our engineers help them to complete the entire ECO task within 1 week. And they also try to use our competitors' tool, but they failed. But our results make them really exciting because they can use our result to do the tape out.
What are you excited about as the future roadmap for EasyLogic?
We are aiming to create the entire EDA tools for the incremental IC design flow, the entire software, which means the IC designers can only use our tools, then they can complete the upgrade of their IC design.
Do you see a future for the so-called Moore's Law in the pace of development in integrated circuits, or do you think we've reached a plateau?
Actually, we follow the Moore's law because as the development of the advanced technology node, the companies really need our help to help them to fast tape out or to accelerate their innovations.
In some ways, EasylOgic is contributing to the continuation of Moore's Law because you're accelerating the design process.
Yes.
What was your inspiration to starting EasylOgic?
Actually, I am the previous investor of EasylOgic. After I invested this company, I felt I really want to join this company as a full-time staff. In that case, I can help the company to build up the teams and help them to expand the market. And I have joined this company for 5 years. I already grow our team size from 5 people to 50 people.